What's up, everyone? This is Silver Slayer, and welcome to my 54,000 subscriber silver giveaway. May the best stacker or the luckiest stacker win. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the rules are simple, but before we go over the rules, let me just tell you a little bit of the details for this giveaway. It's going to be a good one, a fun one, an exciting one. I'm going to be picking two winners. Two different winners, so your odds have just doubled for winning some silver. And it's not just going to be an ounce. No, we're going to make this giveaway a good one. There's so much happening this year for the silver stacking community, and I'm trying to be a big part of that. You know, if you guys don't know, by the way, I have a lot of different types of content that I've recorded over the past 6 years on this channel. If you go to my playlist tab, I have all different types of stuff. Right, I have the Silver Stacking podcast in the description, the first podcast for silver stackers ever on YouTube. We're actually doing a giveaway on there as well. There's only like 40 slots left because we're doing 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and we're at like 950 something. So go over there if you also want to win some silver. So you have two other opportunities to win. But it's cool. Every Friday we post a podcast on there. We've posted 4 podcasts. We actually recorded the 5th one yesterday. So we've been really having fun on that podcast, and it's just, I know you're gonna like it. Everyone else loves it. We also post daily videos, segments from the podcast. It's really cool. But I also have this series I did called Coin Compare, where I picked 2 different types of coins and I compare which ones are better. I also have shout out Saturdays, where every Saturday I would shout out another smaller silver stacking channel to kind of give some exposure to other channels that I think you guys would like, and also help them get exposure as well. I have 25 unboxing videos. We have silver pulls, which these silver pulls are really cool. What I did was, as you can see, I would go over a question like, how would you spend this $150? And then I would ask everyone to comment, 4 different types in this video. As you can see, there's 4 different types of silver. So, I forgot about that intro. So I would do like A, B, or C, $150 coin, 2, 4, 6, 8 ounces of silver, 5 ounces of high premium, or a quarter ounce of gold, all worth around $150 each. And then I would ask people in the poll to comment A, B, C, or D. And then you could go through these comments and see everyone definitely A, blah, 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 take B, go with D. It's just, that series, I should bring that back, was so cool. The only reason I don't do it much anymore is because YouTube took away poll videos for actual videos. You can only do polls on live streams now, but I can still pull up the results to these polls, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, I have 12 videos like that. 12 different videos where I asked a different question, A to D, and then I would ask all of you to comment. I think that was so educational, just to get a grasp on a pulse on what the majority is. And some of the majority votes were shocking to me. I mean, you could just see that was one question, which was a very interesting video to see. But I did that 12 different times. I also released a series, a 5-part video series called The Complete Guide to Silver Stacking. That is a series I made from the person that has never even known that silver was something more than just a shiny metal that you can wear as jewelry. The most basic ground start, beginner level 1, all the way to experienced guide to silver stacking. And I'm talking about, I went from literally, what a coin is. I went through it all. 5-part video series. I've done a lot of stuff. So if you do want to check out some of my different types of content, you can go to my playlist tab. Now, we also have the Silver Stacking podcast, like I talked about, where we have 961 subscribers. So the slots are filling up fast, right? We also have the podcast episodes released. See, I mean, all these episodes are doing extremely good. The one we posted 3 days ago already has 700 views. And then we post the clips throughout each podcast. So it's really cool. I think there's more content now than ever. I've been posting on YouTube, and I think it's the best quality as well, right? You're gonna love the Silver Stacking podcast. But anyways, I'm gonna shut up for now. I wanted to show you that the playlists and stuff and talk about this just so you guys know there's a lot of content, and I'm sure maybe some of you have, but I'm sure there's a lot of content that you've never seen that I've posted. So I want you guys to get the full experience because I used to talk a lot more about the basics of silver stacking, like the beginner's guide. But now I've kind of transformed into more complicated stuff, more advanced. But I know there's a lot of new stackers. So if you do want to check out some of the earlier videos I used to make, they're very educational, talking about bullion versus numismatics, coins versus bars, junk silver, all of that different types of stuff. I have all those content, all those types of videos. Remember, I've been posting videos since 2015 on this channel, so I have thousands of videos for all of you from all different types of silver stackers, all different varieties and all different levels to watch. So yeah, anyways, I'll shut up. I just wanted to throw that out there. Giveaway videos are always very special to me because it's just my way of giving back and saying thank you. So rule number one, one entry per person. One entry per person. The comment picker I use already filters out duplicates. So even if you try to comment twice, you won't even be entered into the list of possible winners. So if you try to do duplicates, you literally will not even have a chance to win. Also, number two, you got to be a subscriber. And then the third one, hashtag Slayer54K in all capital letters in this comment section. Hashtag Slayer54K. Even the K has to be capital. If you do that, those three things, you are entered in. That's all you have to do on this video. One entry per person. Two, got to be subscribed. And three, hashtag Slayer54K. And by the way, when you're subscribed, make sure you click this bell right here. See where this bell is next to subscribe? Click all, because if you don't, you'll only get notified to some videos. And if you click none, you won't get notified to any videos. So every time I post a video, if you don't have this bell on, you won't get notified. You might miss the giveaway video. You might miss some very important videos that are getting posted out there. So make sure that you are subscribed. It's just the silver stacking community is just at it's a weird phase right now because as prices are low, which they really aren't even that low, a lot of people lose hope. And I really want to remind people this. You shouldn't be investing into this from a get rich quick scheme anyways, right? I'm not planning on selling for 10, 15 years, and I hope that's the same case for you, right? 5 at the least, but you're still going to be selling yourself short if you do that. Remember that this is a way to put your money in something that holds its value because the dollar is depreciating in value. So in 10 years, if you kept your money in your bank account, that money will be the purchasing power of that $10,000 you put in will be drastically lower. But if you put it in precious metals, it stores its value, and the coins, the metal, would most likely have risen by then, especially looking forwards at what's going to be happening over the next 10 years. So make sure you remember that. And when there are periods of price, like a correction or a dip or a sell-off, take advantage of that, right? Take advantage of that. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up here. Remember, one entry per person. Make sure you're subscribed and hashtag Slayer54K. May the luckiest stacker win. And also remember to go check out my playlist. There's some really, really, really cool stuff in here. Preferably check out the silver pulls or the unboxing videos. I really do like all the unboxing videos because you just get to see some of the craziest unboxings that I've done. I've unboxed some crazy silver. I did a $4,000 silver unboxing like last year or something. Lots of different types of unboxings. That's a really interesting playlist, but also the silver pulls. And then if you're newer, I definitely recommend a complete guide to silver stacking. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you check out the Silver Stacking podcast if you also want a chance to win silver over there. A lot of silver being given away to a lot of different people. Thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.